With that reasoning in mind, we might expect the keyword this to be inaccessible from the global scope as well. Instead, however, the language has historically been set up so that you can refer to this from the global scope, and doing so gives you that default binding, which is to the global object. This is another confusing aspect of the language, and luckily that behavior was removed in the more modern specifications of the language. Finally, I'd like to cover one last way that the parameter this gets a different sort of binding. The pattern we're about to see here is built to support mechanisms we haven't explored yet, and we'll look at in more detail in the lesson on pseudoclassical classes. In this situation, we're calling our function with the keyword new before it, and that will have an effect on how the keyword this receives its binding. The positional parameters are of course unaffected by the keyword new. They get passed along in exactly the same way as they always are. But the binding for the keyword this is likely to surprise you. It's quite possible you've encountered discussions on the internet of how the keyword new works. And if so, you might take a moment to conjecture what you think the binding for this might be under these circumstances.